Lucas comes back home from college, and his little brother Mike wants his advice on living with roommates. Hi, Lucas. Welcome home. I missed you. Hi, Mike. I missed you too. Have you been good to Mom and Dad? Yes, I have. And I'm so excited for you to come home for this summer holiday. Tell me everything about your college life. Is it fun? Do you have a roommate? It's fun, but also tough. I have a roommate, but I don't like him. We have so much trouble living together. Really? Why? He's sloppy and disorganized. We just can't get along, we have nothing in common, and his annoying behaviors are driving me crazy. How bad is he? For example, it's one thing to leave his shoes and socks on his bedroom floor. That is his own private space after all. But he shouldn't be a slob in shared spaces like the kitchen or living room. That's so rude. Did you guys agree to share the house chores? Yeah, but we agreed to pick up after ourselves, and he still leaves dishes in the sink, leaves dirty pots and pans on the stove, and doesn't put away leftovers. Do you guys share the bathroom? Yes, and he leaves dirty clothes and towels in the bathroom, and toothpaste splatter in the sink or on the bathroom mirror all the time. I guess you guys fight a lot, right? Yes, he doesn't respect my schedule. I have an 8 a.m. class every day, but sometimes he comes home at 2 a.m. banging on the door, or sets the alarm at 7 a.m., but never gets up to turn it off. I see. What's his personality like? He is needy, he depends on me for a social life, and even all his emotional support. If he doesn't have other people he can count on or other ways to help himself, it's very exhausting and overwhelming for me. You can set up some limits as to when and how you'll talk to him. And how long you will be around him. Trust me, you will feel so much better. He's also an attention seeker. He can do anything for attention, including talking about me behind my back, sharing my personal information with others. You should let him know his behavior is causing problems. Hopefully he'll hear you out and reevaluate his actions. I hope so. Roommates can be lifelong friends, but they can be nightmares. So, what will you do when you come back to your dorm? People usually think moving rooms or changing roommates will be the magic solution to all their problems. But learning how to deal with situations you have with your roomie can benefit you for your entire life. I think roommate problems are mostly caused by miscommunications, and the problem can be solved just by sitting down with a neutral friend and talking things out. You're going to college next year. Remember, don't let yourself be a bad roommate, and notice bad signs from your roomie soon. Should I share the dorm room with anyone, or live alone? It's nice to have someone who can wake you up when you sleep through your alarm, or bring you soup when you're sick. They might introduce you to a different culture or a new point of view. I may have a roommate who likes to do the same things I do, but you may not have the privacy you're used to, and may have to seek out new places, like the library, to get it. If your roommate's habits, personality, or schedule are very different from yours, it can be hard to adjust to living together. That's true. So, what should I do to live harmoniously with my roommate? Communicating often and openly is essential for any successful relationship. Make rules and respect them. For example, you guys agreed that if one of them is trying to study, the other won't blare music and won't record TV shows to watch later. What if we don't agree on something? You'll both have to make some compromises. If you behave politely to your roommate is likely to follow your lead. Thanks for your advice, and good luck with your roommate. Thanks! I hope we can work it out. Ted and Michael are new roommates, and this is the first day they move in. They want to know each other, to prepare to live life in university together. Hi, I'm Michael. I guess I'm your new roommate. Hi, I'm Ted. Nice to meet you. I just unpacked my stuff. This is my side of the room, and that will be yours. Great. Nice to meet you too. What is your major? I major in physics. How about you? I study law. I want to be an environmental lawyer. Where do you come from? I'm from Texas. That's pretty far from here. I'm from New Jersey. Cool. Anyway, I'll bring a TV, so if it's possible, can you bring a mini fridge? Okay. Do you have an idea of the kind of dorm decor you want? What's your style? I'm into funky, retro style. I want to hang up posters of rock bands and some famous artists. I like rock music too. Do you want to coordinate dorm decor? Great. Decorating the room together will be so much fun. And what are your thoughts on chores? We'll split the chores equally according to our study schedule. Most of my classes are in the morning, so I'll do the chores at noon. Great. And when I get back at night, I'll do the rest. How do you feel about guests and socializing in the dorm? I have a girlfriend, and if you're okay with it, she'll hang out in our room occasionally. Sure, I'm cool with that. Just tell me before she gets here. Thank you for understanding. Are you taking any extracurriculars or playing sports on campus? I'm currently in the environmental club. I'm planning on joining the soccer team. Do you play soccer? I like watching soccer, but I don't play. What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you want to watch TV shows together? Sure, I want to apply for a part-time job in my spare time. It would be fun if we went together. That's a good idea. It's a good opportunity to have more experiences. Are you planning on going home a lot? I only go back to my parents' house for the holidays. I want to go home every weekend, so you can invite your friends over on the weekend. Great. And how do you like to study? I like listening to music when I study. Do you mind? I like studying in silence, but it's okay. We can schedule our study time differently, or I can go to the university library. Okay. And what are you planning to do over summer break? I don't have any plans yet. How about you? I'll go to the beach to my friend's party. You can come with me if you want. That sounds fun. We'll need to relax after this semester. That's right. We'll have so much fun living together. I'm so excited to start our university life together.
Repair teacups. Repair. Air. Air. Hello, darling. What about the air? Airline. Airplane. Oh, these are new words you're learning at school. Yes, we're learning words about travel. That's useful. Are your teachers nice? Yes, they're very nice. Splendid! What are you doing? I'm practicing the airplane. You're pretending to be... I'm pretending to be on an airplane. Oh, that sounds fun. Can I pretend too? Please, my teachers want me to practice. Okay, well, I can be the glamorous lady at the check-in desk. You'd be the customer. Next, stand here. Can I have your ticket, please? Here it is. And your passport. Here's my passport. Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in? I have this bag. That can go with you on board as carry-on. Okay, carry on. Now, darling, do you prefer the window or aisle? Sorry? Your seat, the aisle or window? Oh, I'd like the window seat, please. All right, here's your boarding pass. You will be boarding at 10:20, gate 11. Have a nice trip. Thank you. Good girl. Very good. Thank you. Where is your trip to? Los Angeles? Well, then I must be the customs officer. Customs? When you arrive in Los Angeles, they check your passport. Oh, yes. So, I'm the gorgeous customs officer. You're the traveler. Name, please? Mary Fuentes. Can you spell that? Fuentes. What's the purpose of your visit? Business or pleasure? Pleasure. I'm here on holiday. How long are you staying? 6 weeks. And where are you staying? I always stay with Brad Pitt. Mary, now keep practicing speaking. I'll go buy food and cook dinner. Okay, bye. Is that Britannia shop? Can you repair a ceramic vase? Oh, thank you. Where is your shop? Could you say that again? 19A Britannia Street, near King's Cross. I'm sorry, what does tube mean? Oh, the train, the underground. Yes. No, could you say that again? Between King's Cross Road and Gray's Inn Road. Thank you very much. Oh, wait. Hello? Yes, what time do you close? Oh dear, 6? Thank you. Goodbye. I have to go there before my shift. Hello? Oh, hello, Eric. Yes, I'm looking forward to tonight. Where do you want to meet? Queensway? What time? That's okay. I will come from work. I finish at 7. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye! You sound happy. Oh, yes. Would you like a cup of tea? Yes, of course. Are you going to meet Eric tonight? Yes. We arranged to meet at a restaurant in Queensway. Do you know how to get there? Does the bus go there? Yes. You can catch the 9:28 going towards Golders Green. Then, at Notting Hill Gate, take the 94 bus towards Piccadilly. That sounds very difficult. Are you coming home after work? No, I'll go directly from work. I think you should come here, and I'll help you get dressed. And it won't take long from here. We're meeting at 8:30. Well, then take a cab. A cab? A mini cab? A taxi? Oh, a taxi. Do you think Harry's having a good time in Brussels? Boulogne? Oh, yes, I'm sure he is. Boulogne! Yes, I adore everything French. David and I have such fond memories of Paris. I would like to go to Paris. Oh, you will! Maybe soon. For your honeymoon. You know, Harry speaks fluent French. I need to find the right man. Well, don't look too far. Okay, Layla. Here's your cup of tea, Layla. Oh, thank you. Leave it at the table for me.